Hi guys, today I will show you chapter 2 polynomial class 9 summary. So let's start our video. The first point is polynomials. So the basic meaning of the polynomial is poly meaning many and nomial meaning terms. So the basic meaning of polynomials is many terms. Now the second point is constant. So the constant meaning is that a polynomial of degree 0 is called constant. Example, we have taken g of x is equal to k. So k value is 0. So obviously it is k only. So we cannot consider 0 as any degree or something. So we will take g of x is equal to k. So the highest power is 0. So it is the constant. So now the third point is that linear. Now linear is that degree 1. So now we have taken the example. The example we have taken p of x is equal to ax. The degree we have taken 1 plus b. So now the degree is 1, the highest power is 1, so it will be linear. A fourth point is the fourth point is quadratic is equal to degree 2. तो जो quadratic होता है उसकी डिग्री होती है हाईएस्ट पावर इज 2. एग्जाम्पल वी हैव टेकन p of x इज इक्वल टू ax की पावर 1 प्लस b की पावर 2. तो द हाईएस्ट पावर इज 2, so it is quadratic. Now fifth point is cubic. Now cubic is degree 3. p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So the highest power is 3, so it is the cubic. Now sixth point. So the sixth point is we don't consider these numbers as polynomials. ठीक है, so हम लोग इन नंबर को polynomial consider नहीं करते. तो द फर्स्ट इज़ नेगेटिव पावर. तो दोज नंबर्स हुज पावर इज़ नेगेटिव, जैसे -4 इज़ द पावर, सो वी विल नॉट कंसीडर दिस एज अ पॉलिनोमियल. Now division with variables. So if the division is with variables as in x minus 2, so we will not consider this also as polynomial. So the seventh point is that. Now we will move to the seventh point. So now the seventh point is zeros of the polynomial is that for which the value of this polynomial becomes 0. ठीक है, सो सेवेंथ पॉइंट इज़ दैट जो ज़ीरो होता है पॉलिनोमियल, ज़ीरोज़ ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल एज वी हैव रीड इन द चैप्टर द ज़ीरोज़ ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज़ दैट फॉर विच जिसके लिए द वैल्यू जो हो जाती है पॉलिनोमियल की वो ज़ीरो हो जाती है. Now all the points are over. Now I will tell you how to divide a polynomial by another. Now how to divide a polynomial by another. So we will take one example. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus x divided by g of x is equal to x. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So how to divide these types of questions? Now I will tell you. Now we will do the normal division as we do. Now we will take x here. The divisor is always come outside and the dividend always come inside. Now x cube plus 3x square plus x. Now how will we do? Now x, if we take take x square, ठीक है, so we have taken x square. Now x into x square will be x cube, है ना. Now we will do minus. Now it will be cancelled out, so it will be 0. Now 3x will come this side. Now 3x square. So this is the plus sign, so we will take plus here. Now we have taken 3x, so 3x into x will be 3x square. So we have done 3x square. Now it will be minus. Now this x will come down, है ना? Now it will be 0, and this is the x. So how will we do x or x into x? So we will take here plus 1. So we will take plus 1. Now 1 into x, it will be x. So first we will take x here, and 1 into x will be x. Now we will the sign will change here, minus. See, one thing I will tell you, the plus, it is the plus sign, and when we divide na, it changes to minus sign. If here is minus sign, so it will be changed to plus sign here downwards. So now this is the plus sign here, so we will do minus. So minus x, because we have to cancel these, so we will do the sign changing. It will become 0. So this is the answer. So our remainder is 0, and this is the quotient. Okay, this is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor, and this is the dividend. So this type of question you will do this like this. Now another main thing is that how to find the value of polynomial. So now value of polynomial. So the question comes is that find the value of polynomial. Okay, the question comes like this: find the value of the polynomial. So now first question is that p of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 5 at x is equal to 2. So it is given that the x is equal to 2. Now the question can also come like x plus 2, sorry, x minus 2. Okay, so the question comes like this also. So you have to only do x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to, the 2 will come like this at this side, so it will become plus 2. So x is equal to 2. The value of x will become 2. So you will do like this if it comes like x minus 2. But here it is given x is equal to 2 already given. So now we will do to x, it is given 2. So now we will place the 2 here. So now the x value is 2. Now 2 square, we will place the value of 2 where जहाँ पे भी x है हम लोग 2 की वैल्यू लगाएंगे. Now 2 square plus 4 plus 5. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 5. So it will become 17 is the answer. Now the next question that comes in exam is that p of t is equal to t square plus 12, then find p2. So now here already this is given that pt is equal to this, and they have also given p2. So now we will place the 2 everywhere where t is. So now we will do 2 square plus 12 is equal to 4 plus 12. So the answer will be 16. 16 will be the answer. So now this is the whole thing which I had to tell you. So now this was all my video on summary of the polynomial. So now guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell icon also, because I upload my videos before exam also, the main concept of learning, and some MCQs also I upload, and some basic fill in the blanks or some questions also I upload. So it will be helpful for you if you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, so you can get the notification too. Thank you for watching. Thank you.